So when you first register for Zahara, you'll probably want to create some user accounts. To do that, you go to Admin and Settings. This is where you can create as many business units as you like, which are ring fence settings up here, or you can create a user. So if we want to create a user, we'll call one Barry Smith. Put an email address in, job title IT Manager. AD users, Active Directory user, on the whole that's not used. We could use that field if we're linking Zahara to any third-party system. The other option you've got is to suppress the email registration. So you might want to register all your users in one go, and if that's the case, you could suppress the registration email and then sort of send them a password reset link afterwards. So we've only got a few fields to populate. We click Create. Now, as it stands at the moment, Barry Smith is here. If we go into it, he has no permissions. If we want to send his password reset link, we can do. If we want to give him permissions to absolutely everything, we can do, or we can toggle them on or off, or you can individually go down for each thing and decide what he's going to have. I'm going to click Update Permissions. If I go back to Settings, so the bit you need to do now is decide where Barry needs to belong. So if you click into against his name, and then down here you should have all of your business units and all of the divisions inside the business unit. So for example, if I wanted to make him a member of JCE Contracting Electrical Team, I would click against it, click Add, and then when we expose that business unit and the electrical team, we can see Barry Smith is now a member of that group. The next thing we need to do is understand what role we want to give him. So these finance approver, buyer, receiver, admin, they kind of decide which dashboard widgets that they get. So for example, up here, this is a finance dashboard, so we've got a kind of visual everything that's going on. We've got an approver's dashboard, a buyer's dashboard, receiver, and kind of admin. So if we go back to settings, go back to JC Contracting, the IT department, sorry, it's electrical testing, click on Barry, we want to make him a member of everything, including an admin, and then we just click Update. So now the user, Barry Smith, is set up correctly. You can go into him and say, send him a password reset link, and now he'll get his email and he can log on successfully. The one other setting we have is tenancy admin. If we wanted to give Barry the full remit of permissions and the ability to create users and the ability to create business units, then he needs to be a tenancy admin. So when you first register, you will be a tenancy admin, and if you want to make any of your other users the same kind of permission level as you, then you need to tick the tenancy admin thing. So let me just recap. The tenancy admin is the ability to create business units and the ability to create as many users as you want as well.